Hello everyone, this is Joey here. Today I'm going to discuss about how Strava, an activity tracking app for athletes, uses data to improve user experience. Let me tell you a bit about the app. Strava is an activity tracking app for athletes and cyclists. Once you start Strava before an activity, you can track your favorite performance statistics and later on deep dive into data and after the completion of the workout. Strava has managed to become a unicorn during the global pandemic, valued at more than $1.5 billion, according to the Wall Street Journal. They are also one of the most influential health and fitness apps right now. Today, we will take a sneak peek into how they leverage the power of data to do this. COVID-19 has caused a stir in each and every industry, but the health and fitness sector turned out to have the most prosperous times during the pandemic. Strava was able to capitalize on these macro changes with new in-app features and campaign activities. People wanted to find a safe environment to exercise in again, even if the circumstances were not ideal. This is where Strava had a huge opportunity they soon realized. Strava's user experience and the constant iteration towards a sleeker and more satisfying product contributed in its massive growth. With Strava, you can join challenges, find new routes, find people in your neighborhoods to go with, etc. You even have the opportunity to post your activity to your feed, share it with friends, and talk about it. This way, every activity is new content on the network. So let us see how data improved their user experience. They collect data from your fitness watches, phone, and other gear and track your geographic location, time and type of workout, your elevation, and also monitor heart rate. This data is fed into machine learning model to analyze most traverse routes and preferences with the help of user interactions and then display personalized recommendations for new workout routes for different users. They also show you a heat map of the most popular routes around you by aggregating data from all the athletes on that route. With challenges, you can accomplish goals, get on top of leaderboard, and ultimately compete with your friends or even strangers. Its algorithm matches you with people who have similar active lifestyle as you and encourages you to participate in challenges and with them and also post about it. Thus, in this way, the users are kept hooked to the app, which eventually increased their user base to millions of athletes, leading it to be a unicorn during the pandemic. Thank you.